Okay, so here I'm going to show you a sheer beads charm.那边有包好的，好像。Okay, let's going to use a sheer charm to make some pendant or make some charms. I was thinking to make. Yeah, I think this one. The older customer already see this one before. It's a mother of pearl making it to a corner ornament shape. It's like a moon, and the hole is from the top here. And this one I will going to use it to make a charm. Let's see this one how many different charms that we can make by here. Yeah. The first way, let's use the wire. Yeah, Mila Stella. I will cut the wire here. We cut it in 15 centimeter in 0.4 here, go through here, then let's let me see. At the middle, then the piece I wrap from the side here. One, two, okay, repeat the middle with the copper wire and twist. After twist, I will put a beads. Yeah, older customer, I think you see this way already. Yeah, and I will put a 4 millimeter. A 4 millimeter turquoise beads here. Okay, so this one, then wrap, make it a loop. Okay, so this is the one piece, and you can see how nice does this pro. It's the rainbow color on the surface. It is more beautiful than on the camera. When in personal, you can see it's very nice. This is the